Hey, good morning, I'm back. I just figured I would show you guys the onions to spiralize. So I took the fettuccine and spaghetti pin blade out of the bottom so that the only blade that's on here right now is the standard ribbon blade. And if you take an onion and just put it right on there, watch how fast you can slice your onion for your stir fry. All done. So I'm doing breakfast in a minute with my husband, so I know it's late. It's already 10:30, but he's been up for hours and outside whittling and making all kinds of cool things like spoons, homemade spoons. Is this not amazing? This guy is just amazing. So he's made spoons and spatulas. He's making a timber frame shop out back where he's actually chiseling out the mortise and tenons and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. So he's making a blacksmith shop. He's very amazing. So I figure I better cook him some breakfast. He'll be hungry soon. And then I'm heading off to the post office to send out those host packets for those ladies that were asking for them. So if you would like a host packet, you would like me to either come do a live cooking class, maybe cook this or my chicken asparagus dish, or if you would like to do a virtual Facebook party, let me know. I'm going to the post office today. I'll mail you some catalogs. Bye, guys.